Hi guys and welcome to another vlog. Today I'm starting early in the morning. This is very early for me. It's 11 o'clock. Usually I wake up past noon. Today I'm up early. So I'm just sipping on my haldi water. It's been around 15 minutes since I've woken up and I freshened up. Yesterday was such a hectic day, which is why I really need the haldi ka pani. But before we get started with today's vlog, I have to do the to-do list. It can't be like a Mridul Sharma vlog without like showing you guys, oops, my to-do list. So the first thing that I have to do today is I have to do a kind of like a pamper-ish routine. My skin is a mess. Like as you can see, I'm like breaking out quite a lot, which is like so weird for me. Like I don't break out itna bhi zyada. My hair is a mess. Definitely need to oil it. The last 2 times I washed my hair, I did not oil it. So definitely need to do a pamper routine. Next I have to edit and upload a video. आज मुझे कौन सा वीडियो है, बैग कलेक्शन वीडियो अपलोड करना ही है. Next I have to take an Instagram picture. I have to change my sheets and then I have to do like a video call with my family. I've been kind of pushing that aside since quite a few days. मतलब not intentionally, just because ज़्यादा वर्क हो गया था तो आज कैसे भी करना ही है. Yeah, that's the agenda for the day. Oh no, I forgot to mention brush cleaning. Last vlog में भी नहीं हुआ था brush cleaning, so I hope आज हो जाए at least. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna finish my haldi ka pani and then I think I'm gonna start off with the pamper routine so that the oil can sit in my hair for a couple of hours and in the meanwhile I can like start editing. So that's the plan so far. I'll catch you in just a second. I'm back. It might be a little bit echoey because I'm in the bathroom, but either way it's a vlog, so it's okay. I'm gonna start off by oiling my hair. Just gonna use a regular coconut hair oil. If you're a fan page watching this vlog, please don't make compilations of me like applying hair oil or like scrubbing my face. Also in today's vlog, I'm gonna show you kind of like a house tour, like not a full house tour, but I'll just show you a few corners of my house that I think are cute, because I don't think I'm ever going to do like a full house tour of this house. Yeah, so I'll just do like a few like different corners. So that just happened. I've never like dropped my camera ever before and this was such a close call. I'm so scared. So we're never gonna do that again. I'm gonna set up my camera here and we're gonna continue with the routine. Okay, so I'm gonna start by applying this scrub by Mamaearth. I think I'm gonna do the charcoal face scrub. I am usually drawn towards like charcoal based products. So this is Mamaearth's charcoal face scrub with charcoal and walnut. Like all Mamaearth products, this too is made with 100% natural ingredients. This is for deep exfoliation. So I've taken the scrub rub challenge wherein I'm gonna apply the scrub on only one side of my face, so that you guys can see the difference that this scrub is able to bring to my skin. The scrub particles are also not like harsh and like huge. They're very tiny and very gentle, but at the same time they do the job. I've been having a lot of like bumps and texture and also like whiteheads, so this has been helping me with that. By the way, along with the charcoal face mask, they also have a Upton face mask. This is kind of like the matching one with the Upton range, so I think that's enough. You don't want to like over scrub your face either. Just a couple of minutes is enough. Again, do it very gently with your fingertips. Okay, so I'm back and I'm really up close and personal. I think I'm gonna lower down the brightness. So this is the side where I applied the scrub and this isn't. I think you can see like especially my forehead, I have a little bit of a pigmentation problem. So this seems more even. Ye thoda like dark and dull. Oh my god, look at this. I wish you guys could like feel my skin more than the looks of it. It feels so nice, whereas this obviously feels a little bit more bumpy. Now if you're interested, you can buy this product on mamaearth.in and use my code MRIDUL2020 to get a 20% off, or else you can of course buy it from Nykaa and Amazon. If you happen to buy this, do make sure to take up the scrub rub challenge and apply it on like one side of your face so that you can actually see the difference for yourself. I'm gonna go and apply this on the other side of my face and I'll be right back. I'm back picking out a face mask. This is my face mask ka container. It's kind of overflowing. Can you even guess what I'm gonna pick? Of course, the C3. I'm done who else like wears their glasses on top of their face mask? I hope it's just not me, but this feels good. Yeah, the last time I oiled my hair must be like I think a month ago, and face mask laga ke bhi काफी time हो गया. So this is nice. I'm gonna go and edit my video. I think I'm gonna go and sit outside in the hall. My room's fan has completely stopped working. My AC is like almost not working, and it's so hot bahar. My dad is taking a Zoom lecture, which is why probably you can like hear him like screaming, shouting. I think I'm gonna go and sit outside because wahan pe AC on hai and it's so nice and chilled. So yeah, I'm gonna go and edit.
I can't get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life.
मैंने आपको पूछा था व्हाट इज द ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट ऑफ क्लोरीन. अब दूसरा क्वेश्चन जो आता है, ये पहला पार्ट हो गया.
Hi, so checking in after quite some time. Done with the editing. थोड़ा सा बाकी है, but I took a shower. I also changed into not pajamas today. So this is what I'm wearing, leggings and a top. The only reason why I'm not wearing pajamas is because all of my clothes are in the laundry bin. As you can see, the laundry bin is overflowing, which is why one of my to-do list mein tha laundry karna, karenge baad mein. But uske pehle I'm gonna go and have lunch because I'm starving, and also I'm really excited for the food. My mom makes really yummy aloo matar ki sabzi, and also aaj garam roti hai. So oh my god, so excited. I'm gonna go have some lunch. So lunch is done. I thought I would show like a quick hack that I use for my chas in case your dahi is khatta. This is what you can do to kind of neutralize it and make it taste better. So here, as you can see, I just have some dahi, and to this I'm gonna add some jeera powder and also just some namak. Mix it all together, and now to this we will add a little bit like a splash of doodh. Mix it all together and your chas is going to taste like super normal, not khatta and weird. Cheers! So I'm back to filming today. Actually, I was able to film way faster than usual. So I'm just gonna finish, like wrap up like the last few finishing touches. Also having some anar. Upar I've just sprinkled some like kala namak. It just makes everything yummy. Also in just a few minutes I'm gonna have a video call with all of my friends. I guess today is like the day of like video calls. Siddhi wants to share some like breaking news with us, some gossip probably. So we're gonna video call in a few minutes. Till then I'm gonna wrap up with the editing. Say hi guys. Hi bolo pehle. They wanted me to specially take this clip where they're covering their faces. Good. Hi, so it's been again a while since I last vlogged. I edited my video, I've uploaded it, it's uploading right now, and I also took a couple of Instagram pictures. Now what we're about to do is we're about to cut my hair. Now like everyone, I am also like itching to cut my hair. I do cut my hair anyways, you guys know that, but I want to cut some bangs. I've watched every single video that there is to watch on the internet, on YouTube, to see how I can do that at home, and I think I've seen enough videos, so let's just get started. I've also been like really itching to like cut my hair short. I've been so non-experimental with my hair, so at this point I just feel like I'm just gonna like YOLO it because no one's gonna see me for a while. So let's just cut my hair right now. For step one, we're just gonna cut bangs, and then we'll see about like the length of my hair. So let's start. Hi, so I just spent like 10 minutes trying to like figure out the thickness. I think the most important thing is like the thickness of your bangs. I want them to be like super wispy. So I think this looks good. So basically what I've done is kind of triangle में से बाल आगे ले लिए और side से भी दो ले लिए so that I can like frame it. I don't know if I'm making sense. This could potentially be so disastrous, but honestly I think here we go. So I think this is my beach cut triangle and these are my side hairs. So I'm just gonna push them behind my ears and we'll deal with them later. We'll start easy. I'm gonna cut pehle yahan tak. Also I'm just like using regular kitchen scissors because like why not. This is what it looks like so far. I'm so scared. Okay, I'm gonna take again, isme se bhi I'm gonna make a smaller triangle and I'm gonna go shorter. Oh my god. I don't know how I feel about it still. I mean, some angles but it looks really cute. Anyway, the process isn't over yet, so let's just continue. I'm gonna trim your side section so that it's a little bit more like in sync. Just gonna go aisa. Okay, so now we have just the beach wala triangle, and I want this to be even more wispy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna start cutting my hair in this kind of a motion, like a vertical thing. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I think I like it quite a lot, especially since I always like have my hair up. Like I'm usually always doing a ponytail or something on those lines, so I think this would look nice. I don't know, please let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I'm not like too fussy about it. Like even if it doesn't look good, I can just always pin it back or whatever. It's just hair. It's taken me a long time to realize that it's just hair and it's gonna grow out. Probably ye to ek mahine mein back to normal ho jayega. So yeah, this is what I'm gonna work with for a while. I promised you guys in the beginning of the day that I would give you a house tour. Okay, let's go. Okay, so you guys have already seen the setup with the sofa, so I'm not gonna show you that. Let's talk about this wall. This has a bunch of black and white frames. This was actually in a different room, but then we got it here because it looks really nice. And since we have so many colors in the living room, this kind of balances it out with the black and white. Now this is a part of the kitchen. This is the fridge. What I wanted to show you here is the wallpaper. So this kind of has like a sand finish, and then it just has a bunch of words that it says. And then this is the fridge. My mom loves collecting magnets, so she's picked up magnets from everywhere that she's traveled. So clearly we love photo frames. So clearly we love photo frames. This has a bunch of pictures and this keeps changing. Pehle it had my dad's pictures, now it has all my mom's pictures. Jiska bhi birthday I had to switch it out. So for the longest time I've been wanting to paint these either like a blue or red. Mummy, do you agree? What? She won't reply. Anyway, I think it would look better because there's no brown element in the entire living room. It doesn't make sense to have like brown frames. So we might do it in the next vlog, stay tuned. The TV council area, this was okay, so this is like the TV council area. This was supposed to be completely empty, but eventually we've like filled it up with a couple of things. Wahan pe ek niche stool bhi hai, normal drawers, TV. Then this chair, I really like this chair, it's really pretty. And then there's also a clock. Where did you get it from? Germany, it's cute. And then this is also a table which you can open up if need be.
Black Forest, Germany.
Okay, thanks. Oh, by the way, I forgot to talk to you guys about these frames. Both of them are painted by my Masi. Very pretty. And then here, I really like this frame also. Come closer. So this is the frame that I was talking to you guys about. It's very, very pretty. Where did you get this from?
Rajasthan,
right?
Jaisalmer.
I'm probably gonna steal this. So done with the house tour. I hope you guys enjoyed. But look at my room. Such a mess. So let's clean. No time lapses this time, but here's a after shot. So much better. Now as always, I'm late to making dinner today also, so I thought I would do like a quick recipe. So this is what I do when I don't want to put too much of effort in, but I still want to eat something like wholesome and filling. So here I'm gonna start with some rice. I just washed it, like rinsed it well, and just gonna add this to the cooker. Then the veggies, I added some peas, frozen peas जो already थे fridge में. उसके बाद टमाटर chop किए हुए, chopped onions, and ideally I should have like chopped potatoes. But then I was too lazy to do that, so I just put some like French fries जो already pre like frozen आती है ना, वही मैंने add कर दी. And then also added some chopped garlic. पानी add कर लो, नमक, and this is my secret ingredient, ghee. This just makes everything super soft and yummy. And as the final step, I'm gonna add this Shahi Biryani masala, which is gonna add all the flavor and masala. Mix it all together, and this is literally my 10-minute pulao recipe. I think you could call it a pulao. And this is what it looks like. Doesn't look the most appetizing, but trust me, it tastes so good. Also, I thought I would show you the pickle that we've been using. This is the Praveen's mango pickle. I got it from Big Bazaar. It's so good. Finally chilling and watching Durjoy Datta ke videos. I'm obsessed with his YouTube channel, his and Avantika's. And also having some mango. Love this time. Also, I've changed into my comfy PJs, got rid of my lens, wearing my glasses. I don't know how I feel about like glasses with the fringes, but I think that's it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed me doing this little experiment on myself. I hope you guys enjoyed the house tour, also mini house tour. I think that's really about it. Do let me know what you guys thought, and I could do more of these. Stay safe, stay indoors. Please be more careful, more cautious of everything around you, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye.